Welcome again. Today I am teaching you Christmas and New Year Eve night nail art design step by step guide. Design number 1, Starry Night. This high shine starry nail look by Mitchell Hambre is a minimalist manicure lover's dream. To create this nail art design at home, use a baggy nail polish as your base. While your nails are still wet, add dainty silver stars, which you can get from at a craft store or Amazon store as well. Finish the look with a super shine top coat. Design number 2, everything in abstraction. Holiday nail art, but make it fashion. Celebrity nail artist Julie Candelic is bidding audio to 2023 with this understand and yet completely celebratory abstract French manicure to create the look. She applied OPI center of the universe as a gel base color. Then sandwich chrome pigment between two layers of non-white top coat, giving it the alien-like raised surface. Design number 3, Space Gems. Not sure what to wear for New Year's Eve or Christmas? Allow these nails to be the star of your look. Take this as inspiration to your favorite nail salon or recreate it using silver chrome powder, colorful gems and matching nail polish. We are next move to next design, Pure Alchemy. Another Mimi D original. This double moon look, especially when seen on a sharp almond shaped nail, bring a bit of witchcraft to any New Year's celebrations. I created the texture moon with clear gel, then add gold chrome on top of it. She explains make this look your own which either one of both crescents moon. Step number design number 5 cheers. With this conceptual design you can pour actual champagne using poured champagne nail art. Nail artist Nicoya Krobman took a French manicure and turned it into a champagne float thanks to creative addition hand drawn